This is tutorial 16. We're going to continue talking about the operation menu, relimitation, break. So to understand the use of break, it is easily you can imagine to break something. So it is breaking a line or edges or whatever. So let's draw some lines here and let's activate the break from here, from the right side break. We have this line is choose. Let's choose this line. Now if you notice, you can select this side of the line, not the whole line, or this side, and this one is still not break it. So we broke this line with this line. So let's again activate break, and now let's break this line with this line. Let's choose this first and this second. Now you can notice you can select this one or this one. So we broke this line, and you can choose this side, for example, or this side, and delete it. So this is the idea how to use the break, and see you in the next tutorials.